Hello everyone from us. Hello. Day 4 of homeschooling. How's it going?
Good.
Amazing. So we wanted to share some experiences of our homeschooling and at the same time some tricks because obviously some hand sanitizer and all of these things have been running out by now. So we are making our own, right?
Yeah.
So, should we share how this is gonna work? So, what you need is ethanol, which is looking like this kind of. Well, it depends which pharmacy you get it from, but it needs to be ethanol 70%. So, which is kind of like to disinfect the skin, but also to disinfect the skin before injections, possibly. It's kind of like what they use in the hospital. So you can get this. And then you put it in a pot. And you stir it in. So you put 90% of the bottle there, well, of the quantity you want. And 10% hand cream. So hand cream is really important because this is really strong. And you need to put something with a very, very severe hydration quantity in it. We use the one without perfume, as you can see here. Because what we're adding is ätherische Öle, so like oils that you can do, such as Lang Lang and some others, to give it a kind of like a good smell.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not everyone is fan of different ätherische oils, so put whatever you like. But it's important, that you do the quantity. So it's quite liquid because, well, it will be liquid. Depending on the cream, some are more consistent, some are stronger, others are more liquid, or whatever it might be. But that is how you create your own hand sanitizer. So there you go. Get that. Most pharmacies still have it. In London they still have it, or had it when I got it. In Switzerland they had it. So maybe as well in Luxembourg, in the US, you can still find that. Because not a lot of people know that you can put this together with creams. Make sure that this bottle is out of reach of children. You do not swallow it, so don't ingest it in any way because that's dangerous. It can actually kill you or your kid. So don't do that. Just as a little disclaimer here. I'm not a doctor, this is just what we're doing. Obviously everyone does his own. Take it or leave it. So then another thing which is really, really important, which we're taking is zinc. Zinc is really important for the immune system. So what are we doing with zinc is that we take it in the evening because then the body absorbs it best. You sleep better. And it keeps your immune system going. It's also amazing for the hair. The hair grows, look at this, it grows overnight like that. No, I'm kidding. But yes, it works. It's good for the nails, all of these beautiful things. Anyways, zinc is amazing. Magnesium is super important as well, not just for the body, but also for the mind. As we are all locked down and now London is closing their tube stations on the weekend, all of the schools finally, thank you Boris Johnson. I don't know why it took you so long. Absolutely disagree with that decision to wait so long. So now that we're all kind of on lockdown at home, staying home safe in order to keep our elderly and other people at risk safe, you kind of like get a little bit crazy over time, because you're home. You are in your own four walls. Some people have a garden, some people don't. And I think magnesium is good for mental health as well. It kind of like stabilizes your mind. Yeah, also immune system, but mind. So there you go. What else? Yeah, what we're doing, eat a lot of fresh fruits if you can, because that's the best vitamin C. There's these chewable vitamin C that we're taking, which are yummy. You like them? Your gummies?
Yeah.
How do they taste?
Strawberries.
Strawberry flavor. Yummy. Which also have vitamin D in it, which as well is super important to take more vitamin D at the moment. Don't overdose, because vitamin D as well as zinc, you can overdose, and that is really bad as well. So do not take more than you should. But vitamin D is important. You don't just get it through the sun. A lot of people say, well, I get it through the sun and it's nice weather at the moment. No, it's not enough, because obviously it also helps with the immune system. Vitamin D and zinc are crucial for immune system strengthening, and we want that. We want a lot of strengthening. So yeah, what else are we doing? We're gonna study now. Yeah, it's time for homeschooling to start in the morning. We just had breakfast. Are you ready? No, we're not ready, but we will be ready. So what should we start with? Should we start with English, math, theology? English. We're gonna start with English. So there you go. From us to you, stay safe, stay inside. Helping others has never been that easy. Also be mindful of elderly people, of elderly neighbors as well. If you know someone needs help, reach out or tell someone else to do that. And yeah, it's all about community. It's all about being there for one another. And yeah, we can do this. This will pass. It's difficult times, absolutely. Want to thank again the doctors, the nurses, the policemen, the military, and all other service people who are outside risking their own health to keep us healthy and safe. So thank you to all of them, including my twin brother and other people who are working on the field at the moment. So thank you so much. And last but not least, stay kind, be nice to each other, share words of kindness, of positivity. You know, in times of difficulties such as these, what else can we do than spread positivity? Let's try. I know it's hard, and some people are more hit than others by the COVID-19. But if you can, spread a smile. Be nice to people when you go and do your grocery shopping or whatever it is, you know. We're all in this together. And screaming at people and being rude and being racist as well is not the way. There have been quite a few attacks on Chinese people as well in London, on Italians as well. I have friends who have experienced that. I think this is absolutely unacceptable and it's just not okay. So don't do that. We're in this together. We're one community. The whole world is hit by it and we need to get through this together. With good leadership. So hope that our politicians and our leaders do the right decisions for us, and what we can do is stay home and support everyone as good as we can with what we have and what we can do, each and individually with our own skills and our own means. Okay, well, that's from us to you, starting to study now. Any last words?
No.
Have a really good day.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.